Good morning, my dear students. Today I will teach from quadratic equation few ICC sum. Okay, ICC sum I will discuss today. Now all of you know what is quadratic equation. I have already discussed. Okay, a general equation will be ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a not equal to 0. Okay, and here the value of x will be x equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the by using formula we will find the value of x, and another method is there. So this will be factorization method. Two methods are there. One is factorization method, another is formula method. Okay, all of you know, no problem is there. Yes. And here root under b square minus 4ac, so it will be the discriminant. Nature of the roots depend upon b square minus 4ac. Okay. Now if the d, that means b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then nature of the roots will be two distinct real roots, d greater than 0. Two distinct real roots, and if d, that is b square minus 4ac equal to 0, yes, good, then the roots are real and equal. And if d, that means b square minus 4ac less than 0, then what is the nature of the roots? Yes, very good, very good. Yes, that is no real root. Okay. Yes. Now we will solve a few important sum for ICC sum. Okay. Look at the board. Look at the board. Okay. Look at the board. I will solve few ICC sum. Okay. See, right. First one. From quadratic equation, right? Right. First one is very important sum. X by x plus 1 plus x plus 1 by x equal to 34 by 50. Okay. See. First, all of you know. So this will be LCM x into x plus 1. So write x into x plus 1. So it will be x square plus x plus 1 whole square equal to 34 by 15. Okay. Now, so write x square plus twice x here. Wait, right, x square plus twice x plus 1 by x square plus x equal to 34 by 15. Okay, 34 by 15. So write 2x square plus twice x plus 1 by x square plus x equal to 34 by 15. Okay. Now cross multiply. Right, 34x square plus 34x equal to 30x square plus 30x plus 15. Right. Okay. See, you take that's a minus, will be 4x square plus 4x minus 15. Okay. Minus 15 equal to 0. Now you have to solve. Now I'll grab this part. Right first. Yes. See, upper paragraph now. Right. Now all of numerator factor 4x square. Yeah, 4x is there. So write 15 4 60. So write 10x minus 6x minus 15 equal to 0. From here we take common twice x, that is twice x plus 5 minus 3 common, so twice x plus 5 equal to 0. So write twice x plus 5 into twice x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay? So write all of them product of two quantity 0. So we can write product of two quantity 0. So we can write 2x plus 5 equal to 0, x equal to minus 5 by 2, and 2x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3 by 2. Okay, x equal to 3 by 2. Okay, so solution, right? Solution set x equal to minus 5 by 2 and 3 by 2. This is the answer. Right. Okay, next. Next. Right. Question number 2, right. A by x plus x by a equal to x by b plus b by x. Okay. Now look at here. Down x is there now. We take one side. So take a by x minus b by x by b minus x by a. Okay. Now a minus b by x equal to, see, write ab. So b we can see ax minus bx. Okay. A minus b by x equal to x common, a minus b by ab. Now both a minus b cancel. So you have to write here a minus b not equal to 0. So write x square equal to ab, then x equal to, yes, plus minus root a b you have to write. Don't write only plus or minus. Okay, x square is there. Okay, so it will be, the value will be, two value will come. So it will be x equal to plus minus root under ab. Okay, plus minus root under ab. Okay, next. Write first. Okay. Now next term. So right, using formula of two significant figure, right, solve. Question number 3, right. 5x square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. First you have to write here a equal to 5, b equal to minus 3, c equal to minus 4. Okay, a equal to 5, b equal to minus 3, c equal to minus 4. So this type of sum first you have to write here, because if remaining part is any mistakes, so you will get step marks. Keep in mind, students, keep in mind, if remaining part is any mistakes, then up to this you will get 1 mark. Step marks is there. So don't forget to write this part. Okay, a 5, b minus 3, c minus 4. Now put the values. Suppose x we know, first the minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, now just put the value here. B, right, minus 3, here minus b will be plus 3, plus minus root under b square, that is minus 3, 9, 4, a will be 5, c will be minus 4, okay, by 2a, 2 into 5, okay. Now 3 plus minus root under here 5 into 4, 20, 4, okay, minus, this will be 89 by 10. So 3 plus minus, you will get the value from log table book, okay. Our school will be, council will be provide this book, okay. Just this value will be, just I am telling, 9.43, right, 9.43 by 10, okay. So root over 89, it will be 9.43 divided by 10, okay. Right first. Okay. Now taking positive sign, so you will get, taking positive sign, you will get x equal to, right, 12.43, 12.43 by 10, okay. So it will be 1.243. So 2 decimal place, look at here, it will be 1.2, okay, right, 1.2 up to, sorry, 2 significant figure, 2 significant figure, okay. Question paper is given 2 significant figure, okay. Yes. Now from this is positive sign, and negative sign will get here 3 minus 9.43. It will be 6.43, okay. So right, 6.43 by 10, okay. So it will be, right, sign will be minus, so right, 0.643 by only minus 0.643. So 2 significant figure will be minus 0.64. So right, this will be 2 significant figure, okay. The value of x 1.2 and positive sign, and taking negative sign, the value will be minus 0.64, okay, up to 2 significant figure, okay. Now complete, right. Okay. Nature of the roots, okay, nature of the roots. So it is given question number 4. Number 1, right, 9x square minus 12x plus 4 equal to 0, okay. So right, a equal to 9, b equal to minus 12, c equal to 4. So d equal to, right, b square minus 4ac. So right, minus 12 whole square minus 4, a will be 9, c will be 4. So 144, here also 144, multiplied will be 0, okay. So nature of the roots will be real and equal. So right, real and equal. So nature of the roots, right, nature of the roots real and equal, okay. First you find the value a, that is comparing a 9, b minus 12, c 4. So b know, all of you know, this is b square minus 4ac. So write minus 12 whole square minus 4 into 9 into 4. They should put the value here. So 144 minus 144 will be 0. So d equal to 0. So nature of the roots real and equal. Okay, real and equal. Next, so write x square 2 x square plus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. X square plus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. So write a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 4. Okay, so write d equal to b square minus 4ac, that is 2 whole square minus 4 a1 c4, that is 4 minus 16 minus 12. Okay, so less than 0. So nature of the roots, no real roots. So write no real roots. So write here d less than 0. So d less than 0. So nature of the roots, right? No real roots. Okay, no real roots. Again, write fast. Okay, next. Next, right, x square, right, find the value of p so that the equation, question number 5, so write x square plus p minus 3 of x plus p equal to 0. So question paper is that find the value of p so that the equation having equal root. Okay, find the value of p so that the equation having equal roots. So write, all of you know this is a1, b this. So write b square minus 4ac equal to 0. You have to write for equal roots. For equal roots. Okay, so write b, that is p minus 3 whole square, p minus 3 whole square, b square minus 4 a1 cp equal to 0. Okay, 4a into p equal to 0. So write p square minus 6p plus 9 minus 4p equal to 0. So write p square minus 10p plus 9 equal to 0. So write p minus 9 into p minus 1 equal to 0. So p equal to 9 or 1. P equal to 9 or 1. Okay? Right. This is very important sum. Keep in mind, this type of sum, it will come in exam, okay? Board exam. Keep in mind. Next sum. Okay? Next. Find the value of m. Similar sum, okay? Question number 6. Similar type of sum, x plus 2 into m minus 1 into x plus m plus 5 equal to 0. Okay? M plus 5 equal to 0. Similar type of sum is there. So write b square minus 4 is equal to 0. So write 2 into this, 2 into m minus 1 whole square, b square minus 4 is 4, a1 c m plus 5 equal to 0. So write 4 into m minus 1 whole square minus 4 into m plus 5 equal to 0. 4 cancel, no need to multiply. Keep in mind that side, right hand side 0 is there. So you direct cancel 4, okay? Then your calculation will be very easy. Keep in mind, okay? Calculation will be very easy. So right, m square minus twice m plus 1 minus m minus 5 equal to 0. That 4 you have to cancel, okay? That's a 0 is there. So right, m square minus 3m minus 4 equal to 0. So factorize into m square minus 4m plus m minus 4 equal to 0. So take m common, m minus 4 plus 1 common, m minus 4 equal to 0. So m minus 4, m plus 1 equal to 0. That is m equal to 4, m equal to minus 1. Keep in mind, m equal to 4, m equal to minus 1. Okay? Right. Next. Okay? Next. Right. The right angle triangle is given. Question number 7. Right. Right angle triangle is given. Okay. See. This is 90 degree. Here given two sides. 3x minus 1 is given. This is 5x centimeter given. Okay. The sides, this sides and this sides. Right angle. A, B, C. Suppose AB is given 5 semi and BC 3x minus 1 semi. And area is given 60 centimeter square. So right, area 60 centimeter square. So all of you know the area half base into height. So put the value. Area half base is 3x minus 1 into height 5x equal to 60. Okay? Now multiply here 15x square minus 5x 120. So write 15x square minus 5x minus 120 equal to 0. Okay? Divide by 5 both the sides. Divide by 5. So write 3x square minus x minus 24 equal to 0. 24 3 72 9 8. Yes, right. 3x square minus 9x plus 8x minus 24 equal to 0. So write 3x common, x minus 3. Okay, plus 8 common, x minus 3 equal to 0. So write x minus 3 into 3x plus 8 equal to 0. So write x equal to 3. So write here x equal to 3. Okay, x equal to 3. The sides are right. Find the value of x. So x equal to 3. Okay, the value of x equal to 3. Okay. Right. Next. Next, only one sum is left. Do similar type of sum. Sum of the two natural numbers is 8. Okay, sum of the two natural number is 8. Let two natural number be x and y. So write question number 8, right? X and y. Let two natural number x and y. So write x plus y equal to 8. So x plus y equal to 8, and the difference of the reciprocal. So write 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to write 2 by 15. Okay, find the numbers. So easy sum you have to solve. So write y minus x by xy equal to 2 by 15. So write here. Okay, you can put the value y equal to 8 minus x. Okay, from this equation we can write y equal to 8 minus x. Put the value y equal to 8 minus x. So write 8 minus twice x by x, 8 minus x, 2 by 15. Okay, write first. Right. Okay. Now cross multiply. 2x into 8 minus x, 15 into 8 minus twice x. So right. 16x minus 2x square, 120 minus 30x. Okay, right, minus 2x square plus 30x, okay, plus 16x minus 120 equal to 0. Okay, 2x square plus 46 x minus 120 equal to 0. Take minus 2 common. Okay, so x square minus 23x plus 60 equal to 0. So write Milton factor x square should be yes, right, x minus 20, x minus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to 20, right, x equal to 3. Okay, now sum is 8. So we will not take 20. Okay, only take x equal to 3 because sum of two natural number is 8. So right, x equal to 3, another number y equal to 5. So two natural number 3 and 5. Okay, okay. Now one sum is left. You will be at home. Okay, all of you understood? Okay, bye.